PYQs of alcohols, phenols and ethers. It's a NEET paper, 2017 questions. Question number 1. The heating of phenyl methyl ether with HI. First you have to write the structure. Phenyl methyl ether. See, due to the resonance here, double bond nature is there, so this bond cannot break up, so obviously bond will break up here. So the product is what we are taking, HI, H plus I minus. So H will come here, I will come here. So phenol plus methyl iodide is the product. Phenol plus methyl iodide. So what is the option? You can say phenol is there. There is no methyl iodide option. So B is the answer. Right. Next, second question. B. Which one is the most acidic compound? Most acidic. See, acidic character is directly proportional to minus inductive and minus mesomeric groups. Okay, here all are phenols. Okay, here nothing is there. Here NO2 is there. It's a minus mesomeric effect. Obviously phenol से ये ज़्यादा होगा. Then here 3 NO2 groups are there. So maximum minus groups, minus M groups are there. It is a donating group, means it is the least hoga. Highest means this one. What is asking? Which one of the most acidic compound? C is the answer. This is the reason. This is also known as picric acid. Picric acid. This acidic strength almost equal to carboxylic acid. Almost equal to. And one more question is there in the PYQs only. Which of the following is not having carboxylic acid functional group? They given the names: vinegar, picric acid, like this. Here name is acid is there, but there is no carboxylic acid group. Next, the reaction sodium hydride is the reagent. Alcohol is there, it is forming. It's okay. Methyl iodide, right? Ether formation. It is ether formation, right? Now can be classified as dehydration, Williamson alcohol synthesis, Williamson ether synthesis. Is a direct question. Williamson ether synthesis, because ether is forming. Williamson synthesis. What is Williamson synthesis? RONA plus RX is forming, or R dash X we can say, ROR dash. The direct named reaction. So answer is C. Next, reaction of phenol with chloroform presents dilute sodium hydroxide finally produce which one of the following? See, it is again named reaction. First you write phenol, reaction with the chloroform. It's a very famous named reaction. In the presence of diluted NaOH. Yes, what it is forming? It is forming salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde. The structure is OH, ortho position CHO. Okay. Now see the options. So aldehyde group is coming, so answer is C. Okay, it's a named reaction. Next, question number 5. Fifth question. Which of the following reactions can be used for preparation of alkyl halides? See, anhydrous zinc chloride plus HCl. It is the Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. So it primary cannot give, but secondary and tertiary can give. So this is not possible. Normal HCl, it's not possible. Then tertiary alcohol is there, so it is fast giving reaction. Okay, its possibility is there. Fourth, secondary alcohol is giving. Okay, but this one also not possible. Fourth is the answer, only fourth. Anhydrous zinc chloride, because here there is no zinc, here these two are primary. Okay, the primary also not giving, right? So answer is only fourth. Next, question number 6. The reaction is given alkoxide, then alkyl chloride. That means Williamson synthesis. Yes. Then select the answer. Direct question. Named reaction it is. Already we discussed in the last. Williamson synthesis. Direct named reaction. Again I am repeating. RONA plus RX. Just we are removing this NaX, forming ROR dash. Right. Next. Among the following sets of reactant, which one produces anisole? First you have to know that anisole structure. What is the anisole structure? Methoxybenzene. Now among the sets of reactant, which one is giving methoxybenzene? See here, is nothing but ether formation. Similar question. Ether formation. Ether formation कैसे होता है? RR कुछ भी ONA plus RX. This NaX is removing. See, this is a Grignard reagent. It is giving alcohols. It is phenol is there in NaOH, phenoxide, then methyl iodide. Right? It is giving. FeCl3 is a distinguished test. So B is the answer. Right? इसमें क्या होता है वो असाइलेशन, बेंजीन रिंग में असाइल ग्रुप अटैक होता है. So B is the answer, right? Which one of the following will not be soluble in sodium hydrogen carbonate? मतलब sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is the weak base. Okay, weak base can react with strong acids. Weak base cannot react with weak acids. ठीक है, इसमें वीक एसिड क्या है? बेंजोइक एसिड तो स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड है, जो स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड. ऑर्थोनाइट्रोफिनॉल भी थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड है. बेंजीन सल्फोनिक एसिड स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड है. अच्छा, ट्राइनाइट्रोफिनॉल इज आल्सो स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड. अभी अमॉन्ग दिस phenol and orthonitrophenol, here only one nitro is there, here three nitro groups are there. Okay, so first of all A and C में आंसर होगा, क्योंकि these are the phenols, less acidic, right? Among these two, here only one nitro is there. This is the weak acid, right? C is the option. Is it clear? Then ninth. Among the following ethers, which one will produce methyl alcohol on treatment with hot concentrated HI? Ether cleavage. I made one video ether related, ether formation and cleavage. You can see that video. Maximum questions are there from this topic only. Okay, so here two types. This ether cleavage follows SN1 and SN2. SN1 mechanism and SN2 mechanism. SN1 is following whenever tertiary alkyl halide is there. Sorry, tertiary alkyl group is there. Tertiary alkyl group. SN2 is following in case of primary and secondary alkyl groups attached to oxygen. So here tertiary is there. So it is following SN1 mechanism. So bond cleavage takes place here. Now this one is following SN2 mechanism. In the SN2 mechanism, least stable carbocation is forming, so bond breakage takes place here. Then here also SN2 mechanism. Here also bond cleavage takes place here. This one 1 2 3, so secondary is there, still it's fine. Here only bond cleavage takes place. Then what is the question here? Which one will produce methyl alcohol? See, these all are forming methyl iodides. Methyl iodide. Methyl iodide. So this one is only giving methyl alcohol. So answer is A. Answer is A. Next.